All right, y'all, so I just got this in the mail. They sent me pretty much a scale in the mail. I guess it's supposed to like be able to get your weight and all that, your body fat and all that percentage or whatever. So we about to unbox this baby. You can find this on Amazon, y'all. 2-day shipping. It literally comes in 2 days. That was pretty dope. We are about to see. So it comes in this box, y'all. It comes from Amazon. It's in this little black bag, I guess. All right, y'all, look at this. So this is the scale. This is how it looks straight out the bag, out the packaging. It says high precision, iOS, Android support. Okay, so you mean to tell me that I can connect my phone to the scale? Okay, that's sweet. Smart Cloud, Family Share, Facebook, SNS. That's pretty dope. So we're about to open this for you. Oh look, it's a lot more other stuff. Body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight. It's a lot of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 things that it does. We're gonna open this up. See what it looks like. Woo! This looks pretty sweet, don't it? For a scale. So this is the scale, y'all. This super dope though, because like y'all know I stay in the gym, I stay working out, so I definitely needed a scale like this. Okay, so we need 4 AAA batteries. I'm gonna come back once I put my batteries in here and we're gonna try it out. They're inside of the foam in case you guys didn't know. Ooh, look at that. Yo, we about to see how fat I am today. Okay. Not calories. How you switch the setting? I think you gotta connect to this, y'all, with your device in order to change the settings on it. I'm gonna be back again. I got it all figured out. I downloaded the app. This is what the app looks like. Feel Fit. So make sure y'all go download that app. So I'm about to get on here. I got my Feel Fit app open. And it works through Bluetooth, so that's super dope. I don't have to do nothing but just like turn my phone on and step on the scale. So let's step on the scale. It's giving me my weight on here. Really close. That's sweet. And then it also gave me my weight on here. So y'all, this is super dope. Like, look at this. Okay, y'all, so let me get y'all close up real quick. This is super dope. Come on, focus. Look, check this out. Here it shows you the weight. Yes, I'm fat. It shows you the BMI. Your body fat. Dang, I'm 24% body fat. So that means I'm 76% muscle. That's pretty sweet. Skeletal muscle, body water. Dang. That's super dope. It show you all of this. How much protein, bone mass. I don't get how one scale can tell you all of this. That's super dope, but I definitely like it. When I stand on the scale, my phone automatically connects and I can just see like what my weight is from just holding my phone. So right now I'm giving this scale a 10 out of 10. I needed this. I think it's, I swear, like, things have really changed. Like, I remember back in the day, you had to stand on the scale. Now you can just hold your smartphone from like the scale and just, okay, I'm 150 pounds. I think that's super dope. And then know your body fat and all of that. That is super dope. And I think it gives you a heart rate and all the other stuff as well. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you guys where you can find this scale. The link to this scale is gonna be down in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. Once again, this is ACEVI, ACEVI scale. Super dope. This video was sponsored by them. So make sure y'all go check it out. And this is like one of those products where I can't see you going wrong. It's not like I'm telling you to get something that's not noticeably what it's supposed to be, if that makes sense. So it's not a product that has to be tested for a very long period of time. It's just a scale, but this scale just does a lot more. So I would definitely tell y'all to buy it, but I'm gonna have some more workout videos, y'all, showing y'all about this scale. And yeah, when I'm using the different stuff on it, I'll show y'all how I use it. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. As always, it's your girl Ching up in this thing, and I will be back again with another video. Peace. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ching, and I'm back again. Y'all already know I'm featuring these new waist snatchers we got. Check them out, check them out. I'm gonna show y'all a couple workout scenes as well. But y'all, we have the new Purple Passion waist snatcher. Y'all see it's like a metallic purple color. We have the Golden Net waist snatcher. Okay, if y'all want to get snatched, why y'all ain't got this shit? I don't understand. We have a new waist snatcher, y'all. It actually zips up. It's a lot easier for you. We carry these snatchers up to 6X. So it don't matter what size you are. We also gonna have extra small for those chicks out there who's tiny but they want an extra curve. Last but not least, y'all, we got the pinky sweat set. Okay, if you want to sweat, I got this for y'all. It actually zips up. It's just like a sports bra, nice and cute, perfect, pink, girly, you feel me? And then we have the pants to go with it, y'all. This actually zips up as well to accentuate that shape that you're trying to get. And yes, you will sweat in this. So if you're trying to sweat, this is for you. Make sure y'all go check out the website. I don't know what you're waiting for. Everything is $20 off right now. $20 off. So go get it. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, okay? Get snatched. You feel me? Get snatched.
Every day, hustling, make a way. All I gotta say is I'm